Hi, I'm John DeToro, and here's another episode of Dinner for One, a Single Man's Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful piece of equipment called a sous vide. Now, sous vide in French stands for under vacuum. Low temperature, long cook time, or as I say, slow and low. The good thing about this piece of equipment is that when you set the temperature, in this case I'm going to be setting the temperature of water, it will not go over the temperature I've set it at, so you can't overcook your food. So how exactly does a sous vide work? Well, let's take it apart. Let's show you. So what makes a sous vide a sous vide? Like how does it work? So on the exterior casing, you have a minimum and maximum. This is going to be your water level. So when you submerge it, it can't be any less than that, and it can't be any more than this. Give this a twist, off it comes. This big spiral element here, that's your heating element. Here, here, and here, these are your thermostatic rods. This is spinning the water. The spinning of the water is what creates that constant temperature. And that's it. I have this already turned on. Now, the setting I want for my water is going to be 167 degrees Fahrenheit. See, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing a poached egg. And this is going to be the perfect poached egg. Now, the good thing about doing poached eggs in a sous vide is that I can do numerous amounts, like 10, 11. So if I want to do, let's say, eggs Benedict for everybody, it's so difficult doing it on the stove, kind of 3 at a time. This way you can put all the eggs in the container, cook it all at the same time, and they'll all be done at the same time. So to go back how this works. So I want to have my water regulated at 167 degrees Fahrenheit. So this dial here adjusts the temperature I want it set at. So I'm going to set it at 167, I turn it on. So as you can see, the ripples of the water, that fan that I showed you earlier is spinning, and that heating element is actually heating the water while it's spinning it, so that's how it creates a constant temperature. And remember, the temperature I've set it at, it will not go over this temperature. So in essence, you can't overcook your food. We are ready to start dropping these eggs in. So I use these instead of tongs. I find it's a lot easier to manage and control getting the egg in and getting the egg out. So put the egg in, bring it close to the side so it doesn't drop. And there you go. Now you're going to be doing the cook time for this at 13 minutes. And that's going to yield you egg whites that are cooked, but the yolk is going to be runny. Okay, 13 minutes is up. Time to get the eggs out. Now you have a choice. You can try and handle the eggs at this temperature. You're going to be hurting the fingertips, or maybe dropping them into an ice bath for around a minute to try and cool the outside. Don't worry about the internal temperature. That's not going to drop. So let's get them out. Okay, the moment of truth. It's been at 167 for approximately, I did mine at 12 minutes, but once again, you can control your length of time at your free will. Onto a spoon, because it's going to be a lot easier to plate. And there you go. Now, that right there is a picture perfect egg. This is what I mean by putting it on the spoon. Watch how it serves. Oh my goodness. That looks gorgeous. But the proof is in the yolk. Look at that. Look at that. It's not even like it's real. It looks like it's silicone. And it tastes incredible. It's perfectly done. Dinner for One, Single Man's Kitchen. Follow me on YouTube. Lots more to come. Enjoy this. Try it out. Have fun. Screw it up. Succeed. That's the whole part about cooking. It's supposed to be fun, not stressful. See you soon.